Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Well, I'm gonna make a quick unboxing of this hair clipper. This is the BRD clip with the model number BRD AR1. Okay, and to the specs, got three speeds. The first speed 7,000, second speed 7,500, and the third speed 8,000. Okay, charging time 3 hours. Operating time 240 minutes, which is good, but the battery size is really a lot, really huge. Got 4,500 milliamp battery. That's really huge. So I hope you can see it good. Okay, really huge. Okay, inside comes with okay, not a USB-C, normal charging, you know, normal charging. Okay, brush, little brush, and some guide combs, which I don't really like. But if you want to look, if you want to see, it's not a good one, but it's okay for the price. This is it, but it's very thin. Okay, and it's not a good quality, I guess. It's thin. Yeah, the manual. Okay, and the best charging dock, so you can see in the back, normal charging port. Inside, not two pins. Okay. So this is it. This is the hair clipper. Looks like Stylecraft, something like that. And it's not robust. It's a really good one. So I have to tell you guys, this hair clipper packed a lot of torque, and um, it looks good, feels good on the hand, and it's not big, so you can see. But here you got a USB-C charging and the normal charging. Okay, but yo, and the blade that comes with it, I try to this is the blade that comes with it. Okay, but the cutter blade that comes with it, I try to gap it, zero gap it. I couldn't, so I needed to change the cutter blade. Then I was able to zero gap it. And the clicking lever, it's nice. It clicks really good. Nice. Okay, somehow this clipper is perfect, except you need to change the blade. Got really a lot of torque. Comes with a three speeds, so when you turn it on, it's on the middle speed, so that's 7,500. And let me show you guys. When you turn it on again, when you want to turn this clipper on, you need to hold it tight because it's jack. you know yeah, it's jack. You need to hold it a little bit tight, and when you turn it on, it starts in the middle, 7,500. So you can go down. Okay, this is 7,000, 7,500, 8,000. So when you start again, it starts with 7,500. So it's okay for me. Yeah, it's not a bad hair clipper. For me, it's a good one. One more thing. You can remove this one and clean. And it's a magnet. So you can see. Yo, that's it for the unboxing of this hair clipper. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where you can buy this hair clipper. And there is another one with different colors also. I guess white and other colors. So I'm gonna put the links down in the description below. And peace, man. All right.